Hello, I'm Mrs. T here. I was recommended for this designer, WTA Interior, by my son. How I chose WTA Interior is the designer Yvonne, the way she introduced herself. So I feel comfortable with it. Workmanship and materials are very good. There are challenges, of course, during the renovation, but she worked very closely with her guys for the best that she could do for us for the whole outcome. Oh, in the past, I have got renovations, but I must say that the designer actually didn't look to our needs. I mean, yes, they are designer, they have got their own style of designing, but the important thing is the design must suit us well, that we feel comfortable with the design and not working on their own style of design, which this makes the difference between WTA design and my previous designer. I am very happy with the design, and I'm very comfortable with everything that she has done, and she is very helpful in many ways. Whether in any issues, she's very quick to respond on matters that is arising. So that makes her a difference from my previous designer. Oh yeah, definitely this is also an issue. Sometimes we may not think about certain things that we need, but she can see the things that we need, and she proposes ideas of putting in certain things which we think at the end of the day is very useful for us, especially the pull-out gas, for the cooker, for the air fryer, and even for the gas drum, which I have never thought of it. So this is the difference that she has between others designer that I've come across. She gives us the ideas when we never thought of it, and she gives us the idea so that actually when we think about it, oh, that's a good idea and it's very useful. I have to thank her for all the ideas that she has given us, and which is very useful for us in this retired home. Referring to the cost, I mean, of course, nowadays everything is expensive, but actually, certain costs which we did not foresee, she will tell us, and then maybe we will work together with her so that at least we come to a compromise that which is workable for us. This, of course, is all the expenses that we need to foresee. Certain expenses like workmanship and all these, everything has been increased, but she also gives us a very reasonable price, so that is acceptable to us. Talking on my behalf of my husband, his favorite corner is the showcase, and the overall, I like the sliding door for between the kitchen and the living room, and all the colors that she put in for the bedrooms are very soothing and comfortable. I think this is the overall that I share with every one of us. I must thank our designer Yvonne for being so kind to share her design with us, and also to help us to understand certain design which we actually do not really understand. So I must thank her for all this. Well, recommending WTA designer, I will definitely recommend to friends. Thank you. Thank you, Yvonne, and thank you, WTA Design Interior. Thank you.